So here we go, guys. I got the DJI Mini Pro 4 with ActiveTrack. So I'm just testing it out, see how it works. I had some audio that was supposed to be recorded with it, but it failed. So we'll try that again. I'm just getting the hang of it. So I got to stick in the card, reformat it and something, and yeah, I don't know. Still working on that, guys. But anyways, this is what the DJI Mini 4 Pro looks like. It's got a great picture. Wow. Compared to that Maverick Mini I had, the first ones that they ever came out with. Mind you, it was a good picture as well, but this one here is super great, man. What a 4K view, man. Beautiful. I like it. I like this ActiveTrack. Just follows you around wherever you go. I should have had it in front of me. I didn't realize it till the end. It was always following behind me. And then I changed it later on. But I didn't get enough video of it following me in frontwards. So, as you can see, my pool is green, guys, again. I don't know what's going on. I had it cleared up. It was foggy, but it wasn't green. Now it went green again. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if the sand needs to be changed in the filter or what, because I shocked it so much that it was foggy and there was no more algae, but yeah, it just wouldn't get clear. I had it clear years ago, a couple of years back. Last year I didn't open it. The summer was just terrible. So, and this year the summer is looking the same way, but figured I might as well open it because in case I sell, I should have the pool opened and cleaned. If anybody knows any tricks on to how to clean the pool, message me in the comments. I could use some advice. So now here I am getting it to go forward and follow me forward. So it's a cool little thing. I like it. It's going to be great for doing videos. As long as I can get that mic working while I'm filming, while I'm flying, and it's following me, I can get the mic working. It'd be great, and you can be listening to me and following me at the same time. Sometimes it does some weird stuff. It lost me a couple of times. I went behind a trailer and it couldn't pick me back up and it lost me. I had to reset it. See, now it's going beside the house here. When I'm over on the other side, instead of following you, it's like, where did you go? Come back. Yeah. Anyway, look at the video quality, guys. Super nice. Yeah. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. We'll see you in the next one.